And I will give you pastors according to mine heart, shall feed you with knowledge and understanding. It shall come to pass when ye be multiplied and increased in the land. In those days, said the Lord, thou shalt say no more, the ark of the covenant of the Lord shall it come to mind, neither shall they remember it, neither shall they visit it, neither shall they be done anymore. At that time they shall call Jerusalem the throne of the Lord, and all the nations shall be gathered unto it, to the name of the Lord, to Jerusalem, neither shall walk anymore after the imagination of thine evil heart. I read for you Jeremiah chapter 3, verse 15 through 17. May the Lord have a blessing to the reader, the hearers, the doers of his word.